According to the National Electrical Code, specifically Section 422.34, a hardwired residential dishwasher cannot utilize its off switch as the mandated disconnecting means. The code stipulates that disconnection must be provided by an accessible blade disconnect switch, an isolated circuit breaker, or a fuse located at the point of entry into the appliance's enclosure. The rationale behind this requirement centers on safety and the ability to energize the appliance quickly and reliably for service, maintenance, or in emergency situations. The key term here is accessible. Accessibility in the context of electrical code refers to the ability to reach the disconnecting means without having to remove obstacles, use tools, or climb over or move objects. The off switch on a dishwasher, once the appliance is installed beneath a countertop and secured in place, is generally deemed inaccessible. This inaccessibility stems from the fact that the switch is typically located in the dishwasher's control panel, which is concealed from direct reach once the appliance is integrated into the kitchen cabinetry. Therefore, relying on the dishwasher's off switch as the primary disconnect would violate the code's intent. The NEC 422.34's requirement for an accessible disconnect is rooted in several critical considerations. Firstly, it ensures the safety of electricians, plumbers, appliance repair technicians, and homeowners who may need to work on the dishwasher. By providing a readily accessible means to energize the appliance, the risk of electrical shock is significantly reduced. Secondly, an accessible disconnect facilitates rapid energization in emergency situations. For instance, if the dishwasher malfunctions and poses a fire hazard, a readily accessible disconnect allows for the immediate interruption of power, mitigating potential damage and injury. Thirdly, the code promotes maintainability and repairability of electrical systems. An accessible disconnect simplifies the process of troubleshooting and repairing the dishwasher, as technicians can safely de-energize the appliance before commencing work. The three acceptable methods for providing the required disconnection are firstly, a blade disconnect switch, secondly, an isolated circuit breaker, and thirdly, a fuse at the point of entry into the enclosure. Let's delve into each of these options. A blade disconnect switch, also known as a safety switch or disconnect switch, is a manually operated switch designed to isolate an electrical circuit. It typically consists of a set of blades that physically break the circuit when the switch is opened. Blade disconnect switches are commonly installed near appliances or equipment to provide a local means of disconnection. The specific type and amperage rating of the blade disconnect switch must be appropriate for the dishwasher's electrical requirements. Secondly, an isolated circuit breaker serves as another acceptable means of disconnection. A circuit breaker is an automatically operated electrical switch designed to protect a circuit from overcurrent or short circuit conditions. When an overcurrent or short circuit occurs, the circuit breaker trips, interrupting the flow of electricity. An isolated circuit breaker dedicated solely to the dishwasher's circuit can serve as the disconnecting means, provided that it is readily accessible. Accessibility typically means that the circuit breaker is located in an electrical panel that is easily reachable and clearly labeled. The circuit breaker must also be properly sized to match the dishwasher's amperage rating. Thirdly, a fuse at the point of entry into the enclosure can function as a disconnect. A fuse is an overcurrent protection device that contains a fusible link. When an overcurrent occurs, the fusible link melts, interrupting the circuit. A fuse installed at the point where the dishwasher's wiring enters the appliance's enclosure can serve as the disconnecting means, provided that it is readily accessible and properly sized. The fuse must be accessible without requiring the removal of panels or other obstructions. In practical terms, meeting the requirements of NEC 422.34 for a residential dishwasher typically involves installing a readily accessible disconnect switch or utilizing a dedicated circuit breaker in the electrical panel. The choice between these options depends on various factors, including the layout of the kitchen, the location of the electrical panel, and personal preference. Regardless of the chosen method, it is crucial to ensure that the disconnecting means is readily accessible, clearly labeled, and properly sized to meet the dishwasher's electrical requirements. Ignoring the NEC 422.34 requirement can lead to several adverse consequences. Firstly, it poses a safety hazard to anyone working on the dishwasher, increasing the risk of electrical shock. Secondly, it violates the National Electrical Code, which can result in fines, penalties, and potential liability in the event of an electrical incident. Thirdly, it can complicate maintenance and repair efforts, as technicians may be unable to safely de-energize the appliance. To summarize, while a dishwasher has an off switch, it's not considered an appropriate disconnecting means as per NEC 422.34 due to inaccessibility after installation. An accessible blade disconnect switch, an isolated circuit breaker, or a fuse at the point of entry into the enclosure are the three accepted methods for electrical safety.